Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to add the structured data needed to help your BigCommerce website qualify for rich results. If your BigCommerce website is appearing in Google search results as a plain blue link, you're missing an opportunity to stand out. Rich Snippets can display additional information such as reviews, FAQs, product details, business information, and more. The challenge is that many BigCommerce websites already have great content, but search engines don't always understand it properly because the required schema markup is missing or incorrectly configured. Many stores have schema issues, such as missing review markup, invalid structured data, incorrect review properties, theme or app conflicts. These issues can prevent Google from showing review-rich results, even when your products already have customer reviews. Schema markup is typically added using the JSON-LD format, which provides structured information that search engines can easily read and process. Manual schema implementation works for small websites, but as your product catalog grows, it becomes much harder to manage and maintain. If you want to save time and avoid all the manual work, use JSON Schema app. This tool automatically adds schema markup to your store. Just follow these simple steps. First, click Install App. You'll be redirected to the BigCommerce App Store where you can install our app with a single click. Once the app is installed, complete the setup wizard. Then fill in the required details. This will scan your entire store, detect the appropriate schema types. The app will automatically add and manage the required schema types across your store for better visibility online. You can also configure special pages such as About Us, Contact Us, FAQ, and other custom pages during the setup process. After completing the wizard, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can view your updated schema health score, monitor your schema coverage, and manage all your structured data from one place. Once the schema is added, copy your product page URL, open the Rich Results test tool, and paste the URL. Run the test and check whether the product and review schema are detected correctly. If everything is valid, your website is ready for review-rich results. That's where the JSON Schema app comes in. It automatically adds structured data, fixes schema issues, monitors markup changes, and keeps your schema updated over time, so you can focus on growing your business while the app handles the technical work for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.